Welcome back everyone to a new video on the channel. This is going to be my video about the mech solder station, or T3A, the AiXun, or however it's pronounced, T3A. Soyo literally, let me show you, just uploaded his video. It doesn't focus, but whatever. He literally just uploaded his video about the T3A. And I actually had a video coming as well. Thing is, I ran into a couple of issues with this thing that I kind of wanted to fix before I actually made a video about it. Hence why mine isn't online yet, and also why I'm making this video right now instead of just editing and uploading the one that I already filmed, right? So now, because there's really no more point in showing this thing's capabilities off, right? Because Soyo's done that already. I actually want to make this video about the issues that I've had with this thing and how I went about fixing them, because unfortunately, if you buy something from China that's like a knockoff, so to say, part, yeah, expect problems. The thing is though, none of the issues with this thing are like catastrophic, so no need to return the thing, because, well, the two major issues I've had with this are actually fairly easily fixable. Now, the first issue I've had with this thing has to do with the plug right here for the handpiece, right? So the issue I had is that the tool, right, handpiece, would just randomly drop out, and the station would tell me, like, no tool detected. And the problem ended up being the prongs in the plug itself. So they look a little something like this, and I was going to use good old pen and paper to better visualize it. But the prongs in this plug, they look like this, basically like two pieces of metal bent to the shape of a C. And the issue was, quite simply, that these right here didn't apply enough pressure to the pins in the socket on the solder station. What I ended up doing to fix that is I literally just took this small flathead screwdriver bit from my iFixit ProTech toolkit here, and wedging it into the connector and bending these two prongs closer together to increase the amount of pressure they applied to the pins in the or on the station, right? So easy enough, right? Not really a big deal there. The other issue was actually a bit more severe than that, and that has to do with the structural integrity of this handpiece right here. So this thing right here, this blue piece, if it is blue, I think it is blue, I'm colorblind, sorry if it's not blue, but that is just literally glued to this black part back here. So what happened is, well, it came apart. I was literally just able to pull this off, and obviously that's kind of a problem. So the way I ended up fixing that is, well, I took some adhesive and literally just glued it right back on. This just coming apart, that shouldn't happen. So if you get one of these with this specific handpiece, I suggest you check if this thing can just be pulled off of the black piece of plastic that's in the rear here. If you're wondering, by the way, the adhesive that I used is this right here. If I glue plastics, this is basically my go-to adhesive for that, and, well, she ain't coming apart. I guess, if I feel like it, I will, like, put the rest of the video that I filmed yesterday, like, at the end of this one. And I guess if you want to see that, stick around. If not, it's totally fine, and hope to see you guys again in the very next video. Have a good one.
Video editing me right now. Decided not to bother with the video I filmed yesterday because it would literally be identical to what Soyo uploaded today, and yeah, don't need two videos about literally the exact same thing. So go watch this video. Bye.